Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and I am getting ready to decorate for fall. And as such, I have these old pumpkins that I purchased a few years ago from Michael's, and they've just been sitting in my basement. I don't use them because they're not in the color that I want. So today we are going to be painting them in my signature color, which is black. You guys know I love black and white. I decorate my home in those colors, as well as some silver and gray and some Glam. So these pumpkins are going to have to match everything else in my home. So we are just going to give them a little makeover. And today's video is in conjunction with the DIY Mommy, and it is her fall DIY and decor makeover for 2020. So we are going to give these pumpkins a makeover, and we'll come back and I'll show you how I style these in my home. So make sure you keep watching. All right, so our pumpkins are painted, and I am going to be using these for my Halloween tablescape. When I think of fall, I don't just think of fall colors and fall decorating. Halloween is also part of fall, so that is what I am doing my video on today. Now on to the table styling. Alright friends, so this is how my Gothic Glam Halloween tablescape has come together. I absolutely love it. It mixes my love of black and white, and our DIY pumpkins are center stage. And I think it is a modern and elegant grown-up Halloween Tablescape. It mixes a little bit of glam, so it is a modern Gothic glam centerpiece. I did not dress the table because I just wanted to feature the pumpkins, and I think they turned out really well. And I love the little white pumpkins that I picked up from Target to go along with them. I also have my DIY pumpkins that I picked up from Dollar Tree, about 3 years ago. And I painted them white, and I did a checkerboard black pattern on them, and kind of reminds me of Mackenzie Child. I absolutely love how those came out as well. And these little black velvet pumpkins came from the Dollar Tree this year. I really love these. I only picked up 4. I should have picked up more, but I love the way they complement the glam on the tablescape. And I think this turned out really well. So if you guys agree, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of my Gothic Glam centerpiece. Let me give you the full effect, because you have not seen my Gothic chandelier. So this is a whole vibe. If you are new here, my name is Sheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating with style on a budget and trying to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So on this tablescape, we have used some Dollar Tree products, and my DIY chandelier is made out of chains from the Dollar Tree. So it is still a work in progress. It is part of my medieval times Halloween theme. I love decorating for Halloween, and if you are a fan of Halloween as well, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you do not miss any of my upcoming uploads and my Halloween house tour. So I want to thank Christina, the DIY Mommy, for hosting this collaboration. I always enjoy participating in this collab. You always see such fun and exciting ideas. So I will leave a link for Christina's channel down below, as well as a link of the playlist of all the participants. Make sure you go check them out. I'm sure you will pick up some good decorating ideas for fall. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye, friends.